I happen to have a tape measure in my hand, so let's do a quick test. But first, my name is Brian Moshiri. My friends call me Mr. Chairman, and I have a spinal cord injury. Everybody seems to think that all people who sit on wheelchairs are short, and they have been calling me short. So first we are going to measure my height when I'm sitting on a wheelchair, and then we are going to measure my real height. And to do that, it means that I'll have to lie down on a flat surface. My brother is going to help me to measure my height when seated, and obviously my height is going to be impacted by the type of wheelchair that I'm using. But generally, most people are going to be the same height when they are seated. All in all, I was handed the results to confirm. I tried to keep it up, it fell. And then I tried again one last time, and it fell. My height seated on a wheelchair is 3 feet and 10 inches. Next, we are going to test my true height, and to do this, I'll need help from not only my brother, but my dad as well. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those super disabled people who can transfer themselves from the chair to the ground. I want to bring your attention to something that I experience every day, and it is involuntary muscle spasms. So you can see my body resisting to be in a horizontal position. So my brother has to push my knees down because the muscles in my legs and those in my abdomen are so stiff, and it takes some time for them to relax and assume this position. The sun was hot and bright, that's why I'm covering my eyes, because it was burning my face. You will also realize that my right leg has some kind of deformity, does not really stretch out completely. Over the years, it has experienced a condition called contracture, and that just means that the muscles have tightened and they have shortened, and that's why it will appear to be a little shorter than the left one. The moment of truth has come. The tape measure is out, so we decided to measure the left side of my body. And if I'm being honest, that left leg also doesn't look that straight. It looks like it has some contracture. What do you guys think? It takes a village to shoot this kind of video, so my dad came back. They lift me back to my wheelchair, and I'm just curious, now that you guys know my height, how much do you think I weigh? The results are out once again, and my height is 5'11".